So now you have the strength of dip powder and the beautiful shine of gel polish. What's up guys? Welcome back to Sip and Dip with Chelsea. For today's video, I was sent over some goodies from Madam Glam, so shout out to them. Thank you guys so much for sending me over this package. They sent me 3 colors, their base coat and their top coat. So we have perfect white, perfect pink, and this tan here is called Creme de la Creme. I really love the box and the packaging. You can see the foam keeps the bottles nice and safe and secure while they're being shipped. So on the bottom, that is where the name is, and on the back, they have all of the ingredients. And then this is what I wanted to point out to you guys. So you see down here, it is vegan, cruelty-free, 9-free, and then some of the colors are also HEMA-free. All right, so let's go swatch them. So Madam Glam also sent me over this super cute little mini UV LED lamp. So this has a USB plug, so you can just plug it in right next to your computer or outlet, whatever you want. It came packaged really nicely. It has little legs here on the bottom, perfect for traveling or if you have a very small space where you like to do your nails. So unfortunately, I do have to do this on a swatch stick for this video, and this is also why I'm wearing gloves. My pinky is currently healing from a gel allergy from another brand, so I didn't want to take the risk. The gloves are my husband's, which is why they are 10 sizes too big. So let's pretend this is our natural nail. Go ahead and start by filing and shaping them. Grab your cuticle pusher, push back your cuticles, and then apply your favorite pH prep or dehydrator to cleanse the nail. You can avoid buffing your natural nails by doing a layer of the dip base. This is also how I get my manicures to last over 2 weeks. I'm going to link that video right up here for you guys so you can see how I do that on my actual nails. So go ahead and go in with your layer of dip base and let that dry, and we will start dipping. So we're going to start out by building up our apex with our dip powder. So with your dip base, do a small strip down the center of your nail, then dip into the clear and tap off. Once it's dry, you can brush off the excess powder. This second layer, you're going to go just a little bit further back towards your cuticle and around the sides. Dip into your clear, tap off, and then brush off the excess when it's dry. This third layer will be a full dip, so start where your last is and guide the liquid back towards your cuticle. If you start your brush right at your cuticle area, you could run the risk of flooding it and getting the liquid on your skin. Dip into your clear, and then I wanted to show you this. If you notice that you did get product on your skin, grab a toothpick and just clean up around those edges. I do this with every single manicure after a full dip, just to make sure I have a clean, crisp line. Your last layer of clear will also be a full layer, so guide the liquid back, paint it across your entire nail, and dip into the clear dip powder. So now it's time to activate. So the activator is what is going to harden the dip powder so that we can file and shape it. I've got my Melody Susie nail dust collector here and my Mani Boss nail file. This is a 100/180 grit. So I start out by using the 100 grit side. I just go around all of those sides, file and shape everything back into how I like it. And then I like to flip the nail file over. So now this is my 180 grit side, and I go over the entire top surface of the nail. So at this point, I would stop to just check it out, make sure I've got the strength down the center and that there's no ridge or lip around my cuticle area. Now I'm just going to buff the entire surface smooth. So now I'm going to cleanse the nail with rubbing alcohol and a lint-free wipe. So I got this little bundle on Amazon. It ranges from like $9.99 to $12.99 some days, but it is a steal. I can't get over how many little wipes it came with, but it's awesome for just a DIY user. Now I'm going to apply my base coat. So this acts as the glue to help the color last and not peel. It also helps with gel polish for a cleaner application. So apply a thin, even layer across the entire nail and then cure for 60 seconds. If you are doing your entire hand, I personally prefer to flash cure before moving on to the next nail. And then once you get to your pinky, do a full 60-second cure. So I grabbed Perfect Pink, of course, I know, shocker, because I love pink, but I wanted to say I could not get over the even, beautiful coverage of this color. So sometimes with gel polish, you have to do 2 layers to get that full payoff, but as you can see, I could probably stop with 1 layer of this shade. So be sure to cure for 60 seconds when you're happy with your coverage. I personally would stop here. I probably would not do a second layer because I really love the coverage, but just for the sake of this video, in case you were using a color that did not have this much color payoff, I'm going to show you how to do a second full layer and then cure for 60 seconds. I can't get over how stunning this color is. It's so beautiful. So now it's time for our top coat. So apply a thin, even layer across the entire nail, cure for 60 seconds, and you are done. So wipe off that tacky layer. This is the rubbing alcohol and a lint-free wipe again, and apply your favorite cuticle oil, and that is it. Now you have the strength of dip powder and the beautiful glossy shine and color payoff of gel polish. I hope that you guys found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.